Welcome back everybody, Hair Obsessed JC here. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I just did a hot oil treatment. Check that in the cards above. I washed out my hair with the VO5 Moisture Milk Moisturizing Conditioner. And this conditioner made my hair so soft, so easy to detangle without leave-in conditioner. So now I'm going to add the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. And this conditioner is very thick. It has a nice consistency to the leave-in. I'm going to be using about this much to the first section. So while I was applying it to the first section, I noticed that the hair felt different. It felt rough. It didn't have a nice soft feeling. And another thing that I noticed is that it took a while to melt. So I'm going to use another application and apply it to the hair to see if that will make it feel a little bit nicer, a little bit softer. But no, it didn't. What I also noticed that I'm not sure if it's the way I'm applying it. Why now when I'm detangling, there's a bit of a tug. Okay? There's nothing wrong with the conditioner, but I don't like how it feels on my hair. Maybe it feels different on the natural hair. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever used it and how it's working out for you. So what I decided to do is use the Cream of Nature Shake to Activate Leave-In Conditioner and moisten the hair a little bit and detangle before I add another application of the Shea Moisture Leave-In. So now I'm going to add 2 applications and it definitely made my hair feel much different. I hope this video was useful to you guys. If it was, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you like more videos like this, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And after the 2 applications of the Shea Moisture Leave-In, it became much easier to detangle. And my hair did feel soft, but why should I have to wet my hair with other leave-in in order to get it soft? So after the entire process, this is the amount of hair I lost. It wasn't much. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.